It was the Gozonians who were behind the superpowers of Dr. Para. We got to somehow track Dr. Para and find him out quickly. I'm telling you, he'll surely have all the answers.
Well, I can't see anything other than trash over here, Krishna. And this tracker pad is also not picking up any signals.
There ought to be some clues here. Some papers or discs.
Krishna, isn't this your dad's photo?
Yes.
Krishna, look at that.
Oh goodness, this looks like some kind of alien code. But how do we read this? Only Jadoo can possibly decode this thing.
Let me have a look. Krishna, Jadoo isn't here, but this tracker of Jadoo has an app of decoding and screening all alien languages.
Jadoo and Porok had with them... Mingyu, this is my dad's diary. All this while it was in Dr. Para's custody. This is why he was always one step ahead of us. The aliens had designed a wonderful instrument with their skillful technology, which would have helped human race to evolve quickly and become a super intelligent race.
I was helping Porok in this mission of Jadrukian aliens. On being activated, the instrument, with the help of an alien chemical, would have activated raw genetic material of the cocoons concealed in various historic sites of the world. But even the Gozonians came to know of this instrument. To activate this instrument, the sundial, the sacred bead, the jade contraption, and the blue diamond hidden in the lion's crown at South Africa would be required.
Does this mean the cocoons will give birth to a new Gozonian army?
Why isn't the tracker pad decoding this inscription?
As of now, we need to get out from here. Let's take the diary along with us, quick! Say something, Dadima.
South Africa? You can't face them off alone, Krishna.
I got to give it a try, Dadima.
This attempt can prove to be very dangerous, Krishna. Jadoo has gone to fetch help, right? No, you are not going anywhere.
My darling Dadima, even you know it. This is my duty. I have to go there. And if Papa had been here, even he would have done the same thing.
But Krishna...
I know you are concerned. But at this moment, I need the blessings of my Dadima. When our entire world is in danger, what's the point in sitting at home?
Goodbye. You're totally incorrigible, Krishna.
Mingyu, this mission is full of risks.
That's what I'm telling you. After all, even superheroes need some kind of supervision.
Supervision? That too me?
Yes, of course. And it's my skills that would keep you safe. Yeah. Ha. Hiya. And moreover, I've never been to South Africa. I can even do some sightseeing on the pretext of saving the world.
No one can ever win an argument with you.
Then why do you even attempt so? Why don't you accept it, Krishna? You actually like my company. And in fact, you want that I should come along with you, right? South Africa, here we come!
Zip zap zoom high.
Hold me
soar,
tight.
soar in the sky. Zip zap zoom high. Soar, soar in the sky. Humming a happy tune. Diddly diddly dee dum.
Shakalaka bum bum, shakalaka bum bum, Africa, here we come, rum bum bum, shakalaka bum bum, Africa, here we come. bum rum bum bum.
Mingyu, be careful now. You'll have to control these powers. Ready?
Ready. Go for it. Wow! This is awesome! Now come on, let's not waste time. Whoever reaches South Africa first will be the winner.
Shakalaka bum bum, Africa, here we come, rum bum bum. Shakalaka bum bum, Africa, here we come, rum bum bum.
Flying over the countries, mountains, meadows and valleys, and rushing past cloudy hills, breezing through the blue skies. Flying over the countries, mountains, meadows and
Get
valleys,
Huh?
and rushing past cloudy hills,
Well,
breezing
got
through
you.
the blue skies.
Shakalaka bum bum,
Mingyu, you're totally crazy!
But I am!
Africa, here we come, rum bum bum.
Gliding on the sea, what could it ever be? Take us where you're heading to, help us cross the big sea. Dolphin, you're the king.
Mingyu,
Searoot piloting.
watch this!
Guide us through the sea, give our dreams a wing. Cutting through continents, all crossings and bends. Straight from India we have come. South Africa!
Shakalaka bum
Thank you, buddy!
Africa, here we come, rum bum bum. Shakalaka bum bum, Africa, here we come, rum bum bum.
It's so beautiful! With these superpowers in me, don't you think I can easily do the sightseeing of entire South Africa on my own? Just kidding, you know. Is it compulsory for superheroes to always remain serious? I know what important work has dragged you here. How boring. Back to normal. There's so much fun in being a superhero.
Sir, Gozonians have come back. Please believe us, sir.
You are surely under some wrong impression. This can never be possible.
Look at this. It's a cocoon. We got this from Earth. If we are not wrong, this cocoon is connected with the plans of the Gozonians. But in which way? We have no idea.
In the first place, the three of you broke the rules of this ship and went to Earth without any permission. And now this.
Chief, I just wanted to complete my papa's mission and wanted to save him.
I don't want to hear anything, Jadoo. However, this cocoon, we need to be extra cautious now. And show this to all the heads of the Intergalactic Council. Or else, no. You better follow me.
Huh? He's taking us towards the detention center, guys. Huh? Toto, give me the tracker pad. Huh? Oh, it's a match. Huh? Oh, this is matching the technology of Dr. Para. Well, that means he is one of them. Huh? Huh?
After attaining so much of success in life, it becomes my duty that I do something for the world.
Krishna, isn't that Gonda's dad?
On the historical Lions Crown mountain of South Africa, I, in association with the World Wildlife Organization, have launched a grand conservation project. I'm really glad to announce that work on this project has already started. RBN has always been an extremely responsible corporation.
Sir, what would you like to comment on the attack at Bonda Amusement Park? Had Kid Krish not arrived there?
First at Beijing, and after that Roop Bonda Amusement Park. Kid Krish creates a ruckus wherever he turns up. Do we really need such a superhero who doesn't bother about law and order and boasts to be a bad role model for our kids? I would say that if you see Kid Krish anywhere, just hand him over to the police immediately.
What has a media tycoon like Roop Bonda got to do with Lion's Crown? I'm sure there's something else cooking out here. We got to reach Lion's Crown as soon as we can.